What's going on, everybody? Guns and Games back here again with another video for you. Today we got a do-it-yourself project. Today I'll be showing you how to make a target stand for around $15. So let's get started. First thing you'll need for this project is a 10-foot length of 1.5-inch PVC pipe. I paid approximately $4 for this at Menards. I bought all my supplies at Menards, but you could probably find it at Lowe's, Home Depot, or any home improvement store that you please. You'll be cutting up this PVC pipe, so you'll need fittings to join it back together. These T's, you'll need 4 of them. I paid about $2 each for them. You'll also need 2 90-degree elbows. All of this is 1.5-inch PVC pipe. I paid about $1.75 for these elbows. And the final thing you'll need is 2 1-inch by 2-inch by 8-foot long furring strips. These are cheap, they're about $1 a piece, so if they get broken, they're easy to replace. First thing you will do is you will cut your 10-foot length of PVC pipe into 8 15-inch sections. You can do this with any kind of saw. I have just a regular hacksaw and a miter box to make the cut straight, but you will do this 8 times for your project. As you can see, PVC cuts very easily. So, like I said, you can use any kind of saw you want. I just happen to have this handy, and you will repeat that process 7 more times. Next step is to cut your furring strips down to about 5 or 6 feet. I think I went with 6 feet in my example. So you want about the height of a regular sized man for your targets to stand up on. And this wood cuts easy, and the furring strips are cheap and they are easy to replace if they should get hit by any stray rounds or if they should happen to break. Alright, so there are the 8 15-inch sections of PVC pipe all cut, and now we're on to assembly. I like to start at the front, getting the front base part. You'll see how this all assembles once I get it going, but you want to make sure that it sits flat on the ground. That way your target stand doesn't wobble. So that's the very front. Then I move on to make the legs of the stand. There's 2 sections like this. Those will go I like to basically set this up into 3 modular parts. You can also cement these together, but I've found that just friction fitting them is fine, and they're easy. Then it's easier to take apart once you're done with them. But you can cement them together if you so choose. But here I have the 3 pieces ready to assemble together. So take the legs and put 1 leg into each side of the elbow joints, one on that side and one on the other side. You then take the H cross piece and you will connect all the base together. Sometimes your cuts aren't exact, so you have to squeeze and push a little bit, but it will go in. The final step is to take the furring strips and stick them into the H cross piece straight, so they go straight up. They'll fit pretty snugly in there without having to cut them or do anything to them. And the final step is attaching your targets. You will want target backers, cardboard, or something else that is thicker than just regular paper. You will need about a 20-inch wide piece by however tall you want. And yeah, there you go. There's your target stand fully assembled for around $15. It works very well. It looks nice, and it's easy to put together. So thank you for watching this do-it-yourself video on guns and games. We'll see you next time.